One of the most important skill that we need to reinstate is actually the skill of self-awareness.
Yeah.
Kasi
Okay.
sometimes we go through adult life na feeling natin, kilala na natin yung sarili natin. But we forgot that when we experience adult life in the season of 20s, in the season of 30s, nagbabago rin tayo eh. So self-awareness is the key to always have that point of self-reflection. Let me use the term, introspection. For you to check, teka lang, am I still on the right track? Kilala ko pa ba yung sarili ko? So, anong indicators mo dyan? How are your relationships? Are they still really good? How's your mood and your emotional life? Pag lagi kang masungit, or lagi ka nalang mainit ang ulo, you have to ask, what's been happening to me? What's my load? Kulang ba ako sa hug? Kulang ba ako sa attention ng mga taong mahal ko? Pag meron ka ng agitation or nearing boredom, wait, am I spreading myself too thin? So the situation that we have are always invitation to reflect.